Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create this simple bottle in Autodesk Fusion 360, and here we will learn how to use Loft command and how to use offset plane and how to create offset plane, and we will see how to use few basics sketch commands. So let's start to create this one. Now here we will learn sketch commands and Loft command, how to create a simple bottle with the help of this command. So let's start to create a simple bottle, and we will see how to use plane also. So first we will change unit. See, if you drop down this menu, change active unit, from here you can change, click inches. Okay, so the unit change here. Now let me start create a sketch and select this top view, and here I'll make one center rectangle, go to center. Okay, now this 3 inches, tap, and another one 2.5 inches, tap, enter. Now see, now let me choose fillet. Now just select these two edges, and here we will define 2.5 millimeter. The same we will select this all the edges one by one, so that we will get perfect. See, enter. All the fillets are created. Now look, simply stop sketch. Now we want to create one plane, so click here offset plane. Now here we need to select this one, and distance. Now distance we will select 4.5 inches. Okay, see this, it is going in upward side. Okay, now look, now again choose sketch. Now we already selected the sketch, so here again we will make center rectangle. Now let me choose here 3 inches, tap, and the next one 3.75 inches, tap, enter. View cube. Now this fillet. Now this edge we have to select 0.5 millimeter. Now one by one we will select the all edges. See, it will automatically enter, it is defined. So again you can just simply stop sketch, and again let me choose here offset plane. I'll select this one, and here we have to define the distance 1.5 inches. Okay, now let me choose this plane sketch. Now here we will make circle, and this circle diameter we will keep 1.75, tap, enter. Sketch, exit, offset plane. Let me choose this plane or circle, and here we will define 3.5 inch. You will see the preview of plane. Okay, now either you can select this one or choose this one. Now it is asking you, so let me choose the plane. See, once you choose the plane, you will comes here, center circle, and draw a circle, and 1.25, tap, enter. Stop sketch. Now see, now we want to create a bottle with the help of these three, but it's better to create some guide paths. So if we drop down the menu, we will see which plane is suitable. XZ plane is better or suitable, so just simply select create sketch and XZ plane. Now let me choose here spline, fit point spline. This is the start point, this is the second point, third point, and this is the last point. Tap enter. Okay. Now with the help of these points we can adjust, see, we can adjust the shape. So here we will do little adjustment, and now here make sure all the points are coincide with the circle. Here I feel this point is not coincide with the circle, just drag it and drop. See, it is coincide. Again I'll choose front view. Now let me trim this one. So just go to sketch, trim, and I'll trim this one line, and I'll connect line from here to this point. Okay. And this geometry you can adjust whatever you like. Now see, that's it. Now we want to make it mirror, so the simple way is just create here line and choose here construction and draw one vertical line. Make sure it is vertical 90 degree. Okay. Now you want to make mirror, so choose your mirror feature. Now here select object, these two objects, mirror line. This is the mirror line. You will see the preview here. Okay. Now stop sketch. Now see, this path is created for the purpose of guide path. Now let's start to choose Loft. Now here in first profile we have to select our main planes. So this is the first profile, second profile, third profile, and fourth profile. Now see, the shape is unsymmetric or uneven, so just in rails you will click plus module and select this line. See, this is going to take a shape. Again you will select second one. Let me rotate. Now see, it took the shape of bottle. Okay. See, this is how we created a simple bottle. Now let me choose here fillet. Let me choose corner 0.2 millimeter, enter. Now see, I'll select the top face, sketch, center circle, and draw a circle. Place 1 millimeter, tap enter. Now we want to extrude. Simply go to creative, extrude, select this profile, and in upward direction distance we like to make 0.5 inch. Okay. See, because here we want to create a real thread. So now next thing is shell. We want to make hollow, so first we have to select face. So this is the face, and thickness we have to decide 0.09 inch. Now you will see the preview. Okay. That's it. Even if you don't want this grid, you can simply lay off grid. Now see, now even though if you like to create thread, so we have one option, thread. Now first select face, this is the face. Now click model so that we will get 3D model. Uncheck the length, and here offset keep 0, and the length we have to define 0.37 inch. That's it. And this is the standard unified screw thread, and these all are the standard designations. Okay, now you will see thread, how we created a simple thread in bottle. So this is the simple bottle we created. Now it's time to add some material or some. Right click, appearance. Now make sure you selected here full body, and we have finished here glass finished. Just drop down, smooth. We want to apply on for all, but this is not look at. Okay, let me change environment, dark sky. Now you will see a glass bottle. Oh, that looks, even let hide grid. Even though you can right click, edit appearance. We have one more texture glass also, but for a time being we will apply some plastic material so that it looks translucent. Standard environment. This also seems better. Oh, that's also look nice. So close. So this is the simple tutorial how to use Shift command and this is sketch fill commands and create a simple bottle. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks, Autodesk Inventor and Fusion. Thanks for watching.